Hello guys, welcome back to the HTML video tutorial. So in this video tutorial, we are going to learn about HTML links. Okay. So here, we should understand like why we are using link and what is the advantage of using link. So all these concepts we are going to understand in this video tutorial. Okay. So basically link we can find in all the web pages. Okay, let us go to any page, like there will be some home link and about link and a career link. So in every page there is be a link available. Okay, so we will understand like what is the links and like how to use the hyperlink. So all these things we will going to understand in this video tutorial. Okay, so first of all, to use link we are using the anchor tag. So this is the anchor tags, means a is the name character we are using for the anchor tag. Okay, so like basic syntax is here, you can observe here syntax. A means this is the anchor tag and this is the reference. So h reference is a reference where, so like when I provide reference here, we can provide the any url, like you want which url you want to be open, so that url you can provide here. And what after the here in this, in between the closing tags, so in between these tags, so whatever you want you can display that into the web page. Okay, so here basically h reference is attribute. Okay, so by using this attribute we are providing the link. Okay, so now we will see like how to use the links in html page. Okay, we will consider this example. See, in this example I'm taking one paragraph and I'm taking an anchor tag. So in that anchor tag I'm using the h reference and providing the url. So I want to open this url. So by using this url, like when you click on this aslin visit aslin tech is there, no, this is the word, so it will display on the web. So when you click on this link or this letters, so it will redirect to the this url. Okay, so now we will see like how to use this one also. Okay, so copy the this codes and paste. So in our case I'm using in notepad, so I will be open notepad and paste this code. So and this file should be saving in with the .html. Okay, so now I will save this file with links.html. So now I saved the file in desktop, so you can observe here. So here is my link, so I will double click on these files. See here, this is the html links. Okay, see in my content whatever I'm writing, that is displaying. See here is the html links. Okay, so if you want you can change anything. So html links demonstration, I will write demo. Now save and refresh the browsers. So you can observe here. So now if you click on this link, it will redirect you to the this website. Okay, means whatever link you are providing inside that content, see here you are providing this website. Okay, this website link, so it will redirect to the this website. So if I click here, so you can observe here it will redirecting. Okay, so now I will show how to redirect to that link. Okay, see, you can see here aslin.in. So this is the website. It is redirecting when I click on that link. Okay, so if you want, you can change any link and you can check over here. Okay? So like now, see if you want, I'll change this link. I'll change google.com. Okay. So now save the file and refresh. Go to the browser and refresh the browsers. Okay. So when you refresh, then click on the buttons. Okay. See, you can observe here. It will redirect to the Google Chrome for Google page. Okay. So whichever link you want to provide, that will redirect to that link. Okay. So this is all about, like you can see. So here the screenshot I even have shared. Okay. See, even like when you click on that links, it will default link will be appears in the this format, means it is like when we visited link, that will be goes underlined. Okay, so underlined and blue. So means here in this you can hear. See, if I not visited this links, means it will be underlined and that is the blue color. So if I visited, that color will be, so visited color will be underlined and purple. So that color will be changed. Okay. So like when the active is link is there, that is also undefined and that is in red color. Okay. This is all about like links. sorry. So now we will see like how to use the target attributes. Okay, so here we can use the attribute while in link. So we can, like if I want to open the new tab in the new window, or I want to open in the existing window, or I want to open in like parent window, blank window. So these are the like attributes. Okay, so based on our requirement we can open. So if you are using self default, it will open document in the same window. Okay, so if you are not providing that, that is if you are providing hyphen blank means it will open document in the new window, or you can say new tab. So this is like if you are not providing anything, so that will be open in parent window. Okay, top means it will open in the full body of the window. Okay, so now we will see like how to use this one. So by using target, target is the keyword here. By using target attribute we can specify like where we want to open the link. Okay, see here, if target is equal to blank means the link will be open in the new position. So based on your requirement we can open. So now we will see like relative, there are two types of urls are there, the relative urls and absolute urls. So both are both will be opening or both will be using the this h reference is there, no? So h reference attributes only using. So like the difference is in relative what happens in the local link, like link page within the same website. So like if we have the one page, so in that page we have the link. Okay, so within that link that page will be opening. So that is the we are specifying with the relative links. Okay, without the https and www, so whatever part is, you know, so that, like see, we will see in this example we will get to know details. So I will take this example as copy. Okay, so we'll demonstrate here. See, now I am using absolutely here. The absolute URL means I am using the HTTP. Okay, H reference means if you are used like relative or absolute, both in both the case I have to use the H reference, that is the hyperlink. So this is the ashlyn.in. Okay, this is my absolute URLs. Okay, so next you can see the relative URLs. So this is my relative URLs. Okay, so now I will run this program so that you can understand. So absolute means I have to provide the complete path like HTTPS, www dot. So these the detailed path I should provide. Relative means you should just provide like a shortcut, you need not to provide like HTTPS, www dot, all the details. Okay. So now I will refresh the browser so you can observe here. So absolute link, this is the my heading is there, means I'm writing this content. Okay, because this is I'm writing in H2, so that's why it is heading displaying here also same. So now if I click Ashlyn, so it will redirect me to the Ashlyn page. Okay, see, this will be redirect us to the Ashlyn URL. Okay, so if I click Google, so it will redirect to the Google. So you can observe here, and this is the like a relative. Okay, so this is the relative URL. So it will means in this relative URL I have provided the desktop, that is I have provided the link logo link. See, you can observe here in this example. See, it is the logo link, that's why it is displaying a logo on my desktops. Okay, so if I click that next link, so it will redirect us to the Facebook page. So now I'll click on this. So okay, so file is not accessible. Okay, so okay, I stored a relatively. Okay, just a minute. So where it is monogamy means I have to use, if I use a HTTPS, so means in relative I'll provide the full details with the local files. If whatever I'm stored in local, so that those things will be works. Okay, now I will refresh. So I'll click on once again. Okay, it is HTTPS. This is spelling wrong. HTTPS. So now I can, you can observe here. Now I will refresh the browser. and I will click, so it will redirecting. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, so what happens in like relative, so in a relative it is displaying full URL path. Okay, see, in this example I am using the full URL path. So in absolute I'm using full URL path, whereas in relative I'm using the short path. That's why it is not going to open. Okay, so this is the example of this relative and absolute URL. So now next we have the image link. Okay, so like in image also we can provide the link. Like let's say in here, see here it is displaying image, right? Like in this image I can make a link, and if user click on this link, it will redirect to the next URL. So this is the next example. So however I will demonstrate here. Okay, so how to use the image link. Okay, so here I have these codes. Okay, so I will explain these codes in detail. See, now I will try to run this program and I will explain simultaneously. So image is not available. That's why it is not displaying. Okay. So, okay, just a minute. I will change. So we have to use like here in my system. I have image. Okay. Okay, image is not there inside here. So image is not there. That's why it is not displaying. Okay. So if it is image is available, so it will display that image, and when you click user on that image, it will redirect to the whichever you're providing, no, that link, it will redirect to that link. Okay, so image is not there, that's why it is not giving me. Okay, I will try if this works or not. So here you can observe, here in this code I will explain. I am using the H reference default DS ASP, like this is ASP page. So I think it is will it should it required like a server. That's why it is. I'm like here I'm running this program locally. That's why it is not getting. So if you have server and all, it will be opening. Okay. See here, if I click on this one, it will go to the net direct. See, this file is not available in my system. That's why it is giving could not access. Okay. So this is a like simple example. If you this image is itself is the clickable. So if you click on this image, it will redirect to the another page. Okay. So here, if you want, you can check like by using other pages and all. So it will be like. So now I will index .html. So I have index page. Okay, so if I'll try to run this program, so it will whether it redirect to the other page or not. Okay, so if I click, see, it will redirect to the another page. Means if you have locally, so that file is not available in my system. That's why it is giving an error. Okay, so you can observe here. This is the simple example. Okay, if this image has the link. Okay, so now if I want, I'll increase the size. Okay, so this size is very much bigger. So I will make 100 and 100. Okay, so now you can observe here. I will refresh. See, if you click on this link, it will redirect to another page. So this is the simple example. Okay, so I hope you are understanding this image, and like example like image, how to use the image as a link page. Okay, so next we have we can use the link to the email address also. Like so here field is the you have to use email, like here you can observe here, mail to someone dot example. So this is the mail to, if you want to send, it will redirect to the email. So if you want, I will take this example and show in. See here I'm using the this one a heading. Okay, link address. Okay, so here this is all about paragraph. So now here is the main, see, this is the anchor tag and using a reference variable mail to and someone dot example. So if you want like some which whose email id, so you can put here. Okay, and then send email, so it will go to that emails. Okay, so now we will show one example, this example, like how to. See, now you can observe here send email is there. No? If you click on, it will open the email and it will go to that email link. See, whichever email you have provided in this code, no, so it will go to the here. So someone.example.com is there, no, so it will go here. So this is the simple example. Okay, see, email has been opened. So if you have login, so it will log in automatically and it will send email. So this is the simple example to send the email. Okay, so next we have, after email, next we have the button link. So we can provide a link in button also. So we have the on delay. See, like by using this button is equal to on click document dot locations is equal to default dot esp is there. So by using this also we can make the link. Okay, now I will show this example like how it will works. So now I will refresh the browser. See, here is the buttons. Okay, button is not visible. Okay, so that if that button is not visible, so here it will work like we have to use JavaScript and all, but whereas here we have to click means we have to make other that to click. Okay, so you have to use the full detail of this page, if I click this button, where should I go? So I have to provide the details. So next we have the link titles. Okay, now we can also provide the link as in title itself. So now we will see how to provide the link in title. So to demonstrate this, you can consider this examples. Okay, so I am using here link as a title. So now I will remove this. See here, here I am using the h1 tag, that is h2 tag for link. Okay, means I am providing my titles. So here this is the paragraphs. So I am using here a reference or a hyperlink. So https aslin.in and title is, see, this title will be displaying in my, when I click on this tutorial, means this, when I click on this link, it will redirect to the that link and it will show title as whatever title I am provided. Okay, if I you click, see, you can observe Aslin, so this title will be displayed. Okay, so now next we have, see, it is when you click on, means when you mouse over the on this the link, so it will show here. You can observe go to Aslin tutorial, so that will be displaying. So if I change here, you can observe here. So here title means when you mouse click on that, when you mouse over on that link, so it will display. Now if you want, I will show change hello world. Now I will refresh the browser. See, earlier, see, now it is showing go to Aslin tutorial. So now I will refresh. So it should show hello world. See, you can observe here hello. It's showing the hello world. So this is the title, means it shows the link title. So means it by reading the by seeing that title, so user can understand. Oh, this is the, it's going this website and all. Okay. So I hope this title you have understand. Okay. So we'll move further next. So after link title, so next we have the different colors, color link. Okay, so we can use the different colors by using css properties, or we can by use this color properties, by using that color, so we can make the link different colors. So now we will see one of the color how to use. See here, I will copy this example. So this is active, means whenever you click on that mouse over means when you over on that that link, so it will change the color. Okay, so based on your requirement, you can use the. So now I will copy this example. See here, what I'm doing is I'm taking an anchor tag link color green, background color is equal to transparent, text decoration is equal to, I'm not using anything before this explanation. So I will run the program so that you can easily observe. Okay, see, when I click on this link, it will becomes the some different only. You can observe here after clicking, so this becomes different. See, now it is red, so now that becoming change. See, after mouse I'm hovering, so that color is changing. So this is the simple way to use the colors and all. Okay, so this is all about all this all code is related to the CSS, means I'm using the style sheets here. Okay, so I have this code, so in this document you can try to work on this all. Okay, you can like you can change whichever like you want to change. Okay, so now next we'll see like how to use the link buttons. Okay, so like in buttons we can change any background color, like button color green, red, yellow. So which color button we want, we can apply. So this is the like basically the this is basically it is the link of like a CSS properties. These all belongs to the CSS properties. Okay, so you can apply this to the in CSS properties. So now I will show you one example. Okay, so now if you want to refresh the browser, so it will give the result. Okay, okay, I'm sorry. So now I will refresh. I will and open the browsers. So it's not opening because this is the like this is full of CSS. So I'm saving this file in .html. So that's the reason it is not opening. Okay, so next we will see like how to create a bookmark and all. Okay, so to create bookmark we have to use the ch like id is there. So by using id chapter, here if I provide id is equal to c4, means this is the previous you can see this is a chapter. So like by clicking on that it will jump to the that chapter. So if you click particular chapter, based on that, whatever link we are going in that link, that chapter, so it will redirect to that one. Okay. So like I hope you understand this video tutorial, like basically how to use link, like how to use image as link. So these are the important things. Okay. So I hope you understand this video. So I will be ending this video. Thank you.